What if I told you that chewing one small piece of raw ginger every morning could completely transform your digestion, flatten bloating, and melt stubborn belly fat? Would you believe it? Well, don't skip this video, because by the end, you'll understand why millions of people around the world are now starting their day with raw ginger. Today, we're breaking down the 7 powerful benefits of eating raw ginger on an empty stomach, backed by research, simple to apply, and potentially life-changing. Stay with me till number 7, because that one surprises almost everyone. Benefit 1. Supercharges digestion. When you take raw ginger before food, your stomach wakes up. Ginger increases digestive enzymes, helps break down food faster, and reduces that heavy feeling after eating. If you always feel bloated or slow in the morning, ginger is the natural switch that turns your digestion on. Benefit 2. Destroys inflammation. Raw ginger contains gingerol, a compound that fights inflammation in joints, muscles, the gut, and even the lungs. People who take ginger daily often notice less pain, fewer headaches, and easier breathing. It acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, without the side effects. Benefit 3. Melts belly fat. Ginger doesn't burn belly fat like magic. It works by speeding up metabolism, increasing heat in the body, and improving fat breakdown. If your morning routine includes ginger, your body becomes more efficient at burning stored fat, especially around the stomach area. Benefit 4. Cleans the gut. Raw ginger on an empty stomach supports gut cleansing. It pushes out toxins, reduces gas, fights bad bacteria, and keeps digestion smooth throughout the day. If you struggle with constipation or irregular bowel movements, ginger may help reset your system naturally. Benefit 5. Boosts immunity. Ginger is one of the strongest natural immune boosters. It helps your body fight infections, flu, and colds by increasing antioxidant levels and improving circulation. A single piece every morning is like giving your immune system armor. Benefit 6. Balances blood sugar. Studies show that ginger helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. That means fewer cravings, more stable energy, and better appetite control throughout the day. This is one reason people who take ginger in the morning rarely feel sluggish. Benefit 7. Energy boost without caffeine. This one shocks people. Raw ginger gives a clean, natural energy boost. Not like coffee. No crash. No anxiety. Just pure alertness. Your brain gets better oxygen flow, and your body wakes up faster. How to take it? Just cut a thin slice of fresh ginger and chew it. If the taste is too strong, drink a little warm water or squeeze lemon on it. Repeat this every morning for 7 days. Your body will tell you the difference. Important note: of course, if you have ulcers, are pregnant, or take blood-thinning medications, talk to your doctor first. Ginger may look simple, but when you use it the right way, it becomes one of the most powerful things you can give your body. Try it tomorrow morning and watch what happens over the next week. Your body will thank you. Subscribe to Daily Health Evolution for more health tips.